Return to Paradise by Shirl Henke is a captivating historical romance set in the aftermath of the American Civil War. The novel tells the intense and passionate love story of Sloane Ashley and Jaime VanFleet, two compelling characters burdened by the scars of the war. Sloane Ashley is a beautiful and strong-willed Southern belle, determined to rebuild her life in the ruins of the Old South. Her home, Paradise Plantation, has been ravaged by the war, and she's committed to restoring it to its former glory. However, she faces an uphill battle in a world that's changed forever. Enter Jaime VanFleet, a former Union officer haunted by his own demons. Post-war, he's become a drifter, seeking to escape the memories of what he's lost. When he crosses paths with Sloane, there's an immediate spark. But their differences, both personal and political, create significant tension. Sloane can't easily forget the bitterness of the war, while Jaime represents everything that destroyed her world. The novel takes the reader on a journey of deep emotional conflict, passion, and redemption. Sloane and Jaime are forced to confront their prejudices and learn to trust each other as they navigate the complexities of post-war America. Henke masterfully weaves in themes of forgiveness, honor, and survival, making their love story not just about passion, but also about healing and rebuilding in the wake of tragedy. Their relationship is turbulent and full of tension, with both characters facing challenges from their own stubbornness and pride. However, it is this very friction that makes their eventual union all the more powerful. Return to Paradise is a story about overcoming the past, finding love in the most unexpected places, and learning to trust again. Shirl Henke paints a vivid picture of the post-Civil War South while offering a deeply emotional and engaging romance. It's a tale of resilience, love, and the strength to rebuild, even in the most challenging of times.